Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here another useful and informative video which is about how to fix keyboard lagging in iOS 17 after update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So fix this problem, do not waste any time. So first of all, you have force the restart your iPhone. So volume up button and then volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed in 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then mobile will restart. So then second solution, you have reset the keyboard dictionary. So you have open the setting and scroll up, then you have click on general and scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset. Reset you keyboard dictionary and iPhone. Given a passcode, do not lose any from your data, only a keyboard dictionary reset. So then third solution, you have uh, sorry uh, go back, and then your third solution, you have disable predictive keyboard. So you have again open the setting and click on general, and then scroll up, then click on keyboard, and then uh, keyboard predictive. So you have is disable from here. This time was keyboard is lagging. On this time you have disable from here. So then other solution, you have fourth solution, activate iMessage. So scroll up, then you have click on messages, and then iMessages. Sorry guys, you have fourth solution, you have close other app and background from you usage on your iPhone. So you have some app use from, you have background from, remove here and close in this. So last solution, you have update iOS version on your iPhone. So you have open the setting and click on general. Software update is available on your iPhone though, so you have install on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.